Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Math 30-2, Midterm Review, Part 4D, I think, Rational Expressions. Now, as I said, I asked you to take a look at this in the previous video. We just ran out of time. So, non-permissible values and common denominators. So, right off the bat, x plus 2 equals 0, x plus 3 equals 0, minus 3. Now, what's the lowest common denominator for x plus 2 times x plus 3? Well, it's x plus 2 times x plus 3. So rewriting this, let me show you. Now remember with this, what I said, the sneaky shortcut was multiply everything by the common denominator. Not top and bottom, just top. Now why do we do it this way? Well, star cancels. This becomes x plus 3, and this is 24 times x plus 2 plus 13 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. Not so bad until you look at the part on the right. We have a quadratic. Oh well, we've done quadratics before, so we should be able to simplify this mess. So, x plus 3 plus 24x plus 48 equals 13 times foiling this, x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Oh dear, we have a quadratic. We have to factor quadratic. No, I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to complain. So this is 13x squared. Now 3 equals 5. 5 times 13 is 65x. 13 times 6. I just need to do this in my head. Okay, that's fine. 78. Now, remember, so this is minus x minus 4, so it's minus 25x. Done into one side, minus 3 minus 48, minus 51. So that is 0 equals 13x squared plus 40x plus 27. All right. Now, I fully expect you to stop here, and I don't honestly expect you to continue doing this. Because this is, I realize now it's a little bit nastier than what I asked in class, and I don't think it's fair asking you to do it on a test. Now, can you factor this quadratic? Well, I think you can. Now, like I said, I wouldn't ask you to factor something this completely nasty. That's not that nasty, but let's give it a try. Now, what are the factors of 13? Sorry, 13x squared. Well, 13x and 1x. Now, here we have to figure out what are the factors of 27. Well, fortunately, 27 is 1 27 and 3 9. Now, oh, wait a minute. Plus 7 plus 1. That's 27 and 13x. Yes, it does work. My apologies. You are able to factor it. It's just a pain in the bum. No, I would not expect you to factor something this nasty. But as long as we have, what do we do next? plus 1. So 13x plus 27 is 0, or x plus 1 is 0. Minus 27, minus 27. 13x equals minus 27. X is minus 27 over 13, or x equals minus 1. And yes, both those work. Neither of them are non-permissible values. I'm happy with that. More work than I want to do. Okay? Well, I hope it's okay, because I am going on to the last couple of questions. Now, word questions. As I explained in class, I expect you to be able to put an equation, from the words, create an equation, or if I give you the equation, solve it. Since we've done enough solving these equations, I'm going to give you words, you've got to turn them into equations. Now, Shauna can pour a large concrete driveway in 6 hours. Dan can pour the same driveway in 7 hours. Find the line would take them if they work together. Now, calculate this in class. So, Shauna, the first thought is Shauna plus Dan equals total. Not quite. It's time per hour. So it's actually 1 over Shauna, plus 1 over Dan, 1 over total. Alright? Because it's per hour. That was the tricky thing I tried explaining in class. So, Shauna can do a driveway in 6 hours. Dan can do the driveway in 7 for total, 1 over T. So if they work together, how long would it take them to do it? Now, I'm not, as I said, I don't expect you to solve this equation, but you've looked at this enough and you go, oh, 6 and 7 and T, what's the common denominator? So this is as far as I expect you to go, come up with the equation. Now, if I gave you that equation, I expect you to solve it, and I expect you to go, oh yeah, 6 and 7 and T, I would multiply everything by 6 times 42. If you want to impress me, solve it. I'm not, because as I said, I'm not going to make you do it. This would be 7t plus 6t plus 42. And that you can solve. I'm not going to take it any further. The nasty version of this. Rob can tire a roof in 9 hours. One day his friend Kayla helped him, and it only took 4.74 hours. How long would it take Kayla to do it alone? Once again, it's not Rob and Kayla. It's total. It's 1 over Rob. It's 1 over Kayla. It's 1 over the total because it's per hour or per time or whatever. So 1 over 9 plus 1 over Kayla is 1 over 4.74. That's what I expect you to be able to do. Come up with that equation. Now, if you wanted to solve that, multiply everything by 9 times 4.74 times k and solve for k. You guys have calculators, you can do it. Actually do it, impress me. I don't know what the actual answer is. All right? Now that's it for me. If you've got any questions, shoot me an email. Otherwise, I expect you to be working on your review packages. Good luck.